So, what is the Wittenborg for you? Let's look at the next 2 to 5 years. What's important for you over the next 2 to 5 years?
Wittenborg needs to be the center of link the knowledge to practice.
Okay.
So one side we need to hand over all the expertise from the market, from the employer's point of view. So the people from professional field, they have gained so many experiences in their daily practice.
Yeah.
Wittenborg should be the center to hand over this knowledge to young generations.
Okay.
At the same time, we also need to produce, of course, the excellent future workforce for business. So there is an interlink, and Wittenborg should be in the center of these two sides of the parties.
Okay. Can you give me a couple of practical examples of how this works?
So, for example, one side we have business sectors coming to actually view our curriculums, view our the content of our lesson material, to have influence in the lesson programs.
Okay.
And at the same time, they also come in physically, giving a day seminar or a day lecture to our final phase students.
So, I mean, just going a little bit further with that, I seem to remember it was the insurance branch where that has happened once. Are there what other industry branch areas has that taken place?
With the current entrepreneurship bachelor program development, we have, of course, involved in not only one sector or one business branch, but we have involved many business professionals from different sectors coming to view this entrepreneurship. And
Okay.
with also the element of entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs. So entrepreneurs are the innovative type of staff member actually in the key position in large corporations or large organizations. Through this channel, we also have many contacts with large organizations.
What do you think it's going to be important to do to succeed over the next 2 to 5 years?
I think for Wittenborg, the brand is essential, standing in the middle of all development. So the quality itself as a institute provide quality education, provide a platform for industries and young professionals to be able to link them together. That is what we want to achieve. And of course, this link to the in-classroom, the lessons, the modules, the quality of the education. But outside the classroom, lots of real hands-on practice and providing the key research possibilities for industries, and together with maybe in-house training and all other commercial activities around it, to be able to give the brand a real body as a business school.
Okay. Research is a new area for Wittenborg. Why is it so important? I've heard it said many, many times from many different people within the Wittenborg that research is getting a lot of attention and funding and resource allocation. So why is this research idea so critical?
Research itself is coming from the industry, so there, the research, what we are talking about, is not only a desk research based on a idea, but it's actually a required research topic from industry itself. Therefore, we can involve students and also a top level of maybe master level of students in helping with further development for industries in their real needs. So through the research, we can link the scholars, the future young professionals, and the real needs from the industry together in a well-set format, so that for industry there is added value to their future development in different areas, and for young professionals that we are educating here, there could be a golden chance for them to touch the real key issues of right up front business research possibilities with a real academic depth to it.
So if I summarize that, you're saying that research is going to be driven by the market. It's going to be driven by companies requesting research.
Absolutely, yes.
Opportunities to. So it's not going to be an academic thing. It's going to be something driven by business and funded by business, and the work itself will be done by interns and students within the Wittenborg.
Yes, yes.
And you're also saying that this...
But also, of course, tutored, monitored, and also led by our professors or the scholars that have got enough in-depth knowledge in a certain area.
Okay. You've also said that the development focus and the R&D focus that the Wittenborg now has will ensure a very dynamic environment for students and obviously then make it more attractive for people to come and study here.
Yes, as well as for students, but also for professors and scholars around in the region. They've got a platform to be able to put their strengths together. I mean, often a research could cover more than 2 or 3 different areas, and then you need different type of expertise. Some research needs some in-depth knowledge in statistics to be able to deal with the numbers, be able to do a deep analysis of a certain area, but then at the same time, those numbers need to be converted into marketing results. So you might require more different expertise in a certain complex research topic. Therefore, we can also give the platform for different researchers to be linked together, to be practiced together.